Coach, it's always good to have an away win. Analyzing today's performance.
Yeah, man, I think it was a good performance. We didn't play how we normally play, passing the ball and keep possession, but the determination and the desire that we showed today, how everybody worked in the pitch, that is pleasing for me as a coach.
Yes.
Yeah.
I mean, I also see you added a McDonald. He was at Harbourview and he really had a good game today. How were you able to get him to fit in? I mean, in a week because he was there last week.
The window is open, so you have a lot of players calling from all parts. You know the competition goes, a very close-knit competition, so everybody knows everybody. So I know this player from Cornwall days when I'm at Clarendon College, so it was pleasing to see that he wanted to come to Portmore. And I grab it with both hands. For a quality player, we just have to get him to work harder for him to get to the national team. And that's what we want for every player.
And both goals that you scored were scored from set plays by Mount Pleasant in your half and then you countered them.
Yeah,
was that a part of the play?
Yeah, we want to sit behind the ball for some part of the game and hit them on the counter. We get a couple chances off of that and it's good to see that way. We got 2 goals from one of them.
Alright, wonderful, Coach Hyde. All the best for the second round. Are there any transfers coming in that we can...
Well, we have another week to go, so we wait and see how it goes.
Any departures?
No.
Alright, thank you, Coach Hyde.
Who you playing next?
I think it's Tivoli.
Tivoli.
What can you expect from that game?
Tough game, always a tough game. We and them through the last game, so we're just going to prepare for that game on Saturday.
Alright, thank you, Coach Lenny Hyde.